Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here I am today with another makeup tutorial. Super simple. Today I decided to go on the bronzy look. It is summer and I know it's been over like 100 degrees lately and it's just a pain in the butt trying to do your makeup every single day. I'm gonna go ahead and do a mini tutorial where I don't even use lashes. I'm just trying to look cute, you know, with the little romper, high-waisted shorts, crop, whatever it is that you like to wear in the summer. So I decided to go with this look here. I know if it's good on any type of person, so if you are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start with this illuminating face primer from e.l.f. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit on each cheek and just run all that through my face. Now I will be applying my Total Control foundation from NYX. And I actually like this foundation a lot. I got it just randomly. I went to Ulta. I was looking for Fenty and I didn't know that Ulta didn't sell Fenty. So I ended up buying just a whatever foundation, and I ran into this NYX one and I actually really like it, and it's cheap too. So guess who's sticking to this foundation, girl? Okay, now I will be applying my Studio Photogenic concealer from NYX as well. I totally recommend this foundation. I totally recommend this concealer. Okay, now I will be adding Baden de Maquillage contour stick from Wet n Wild. I'll be applying this under my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on the sides of my nose, and all over my eyes and under my eyebrows. So what I do with the nose is I get a little brush like this and I just tap it into the stick and just follow my nose. And the way you contour your nose is you actually make it dark until as far as you want to, depending on how thin you want your nose to look. I don't like it to look too thin because it just looks really fake, but you know, cute noses are always nice. So then I go around my eye, under my eyebrow, just so my eyes can look a little bit more open. So now with a brush like this, I am gonna go ahead and fade the contour that I actually added under my cheekbones. Okay, now with my Laura Mercier setting powder, I'm gonna go ahead and set under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. Just because we added layer after layer, so we don't want that to get too cakey. This is why we add the setting powder. And whatever's left over, échatelo en toda la cara. So since we're going for a bronzy look today, I'm going to be adding more bronzer to my cheeks, and I will be using the Hoola by Benefit bronzer that looks like this. And just with the brush, I will be tapping that there and adding it under my cheekbones. Okay, so now I'm going to be jumping into the eyeshadow. I will be using a Sephora palette. This is in the name Moonshadow Baked palette that looks like this, and it has these like bronzy and gold colors, shimmery colors that you can see here. You can see that there. They're very nice colors. So we're going to be adding using this palette, and the color I will be using is this one here. And I will be applying it all over my eyelid. Here's a little trick. So whenever your eyeshadow's not sticking to your eyelid, one of the things to do is you lick your brush, then you get some of that eyeshadow, and it'll actually grab better onto your brush and it'll stick better onto your eyelid. And you can see that just a little bit better. Whoa, this looks so pretty. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this brush here that I usually use to blend. I usually use it for my brown colors, and since it already has some color in there, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that like harsh line that I just added to my eyelid. Y ya tiene color, pero si tu brush no tiene color, you can go ahead and jump into a palette and just get like a soft brown, maybe like a color like this, a beige, or a color like this, a brown, and just add it to the crease of your eye, nomás hacerlo blend. But since I already have some color in my brush, I am just gonna go ahead and run that on my crease, nomás para que se mire que está blended con algo más. So now with the smaller and flat brush, I'm gonna grab some brown. I'm gonna grab this brown here that you're barely gonna be able to see under your eye. So now I'll be jumping into my mascara, and I'll be applying that to both top and bottom lashes. But before you add to your top lashes, please curl your lashes so they can stay up. One mistake that people do is first they add the mascara and then they curl their lashes. Your eyelashes end up breaking because they're already hard, and if you are trying to, it's like a tortilla. Whenever it's hard and you bend it, it's obviously gonna break. But when it's soft and nice, you can actually like roll it. You can, you can make a taco, whatever you want. So first curl your lashes and then add the mascara. Okay, now with the same Sephora palette, we're going to be using this color here right in the corner, and I'm going to be applying that in the inner corner of my eye just so it can stand out a little bit more. Ooh, I'm looking freaking cute. And I'm actually gonna go play soccer right now, so the things I do, I'm over here getting my makeup done when I have a soccer game, actually 2 soccer games, one at 6:30 and one at 8, and this face is gonna go all caked up to those games. Okay, so I'm gonna get that color, and I'm also gonna add it under my eyebrows, just so, we're just trying to look all shimmery and shit over here. We're trying to stand out. Look at that. Ooh, girl, look at this. I am not even wearing highlighter right now, and look how glowy my skin looks. Anyways, back to the eyebrows. Right under the eyebrows, just to make that shine, we're just trying to shine bright like a diamond here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my this is the Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder from NYX that looks like this. I'll be applying that on my cheekbones. I'll be using this as a highlighter, and we're gonna see how beautiful this looks. Ooh, girl, look at this. Oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my Becca highlighter, and you guys know that I always use this for my nose. So I'll just be getting some of that with my finger, and I'll be applying it to the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. So now with my Taupe by MAC lipstick that looks like this, gonna go in and apply this on my gorgeous lips. Just kidding, they're not gorgeous. I actually want to get them done. hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. And of course, any comments, compliments, or suggestions, you can leave it in the comment box below. I will be leaving my social media down below as well, as I do in all my videos. But once again, you guys, thank you so much for watching. See you until next time. Bye-bye.